Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Crazy Calculation. I will solve a most viral question. What is the value of 6 triple factorial plus 5 double factorial plus 4 single factorial? Have you ever seen a question like this? Most students know what 4 single factorial means. Some know 5 double factorial, but 6 triple factorial is most viral question now. So we can solve the question, but you can pause the video and solve this and comment me. In this video I will explain how to make formula of triple, double and single factorial and solve the whole question, and last I will give you the most important advice. So we can start the first part, how to make formula of triple, double and single factorial. So we can start the flowchart, and now this we can see this is a general formula. Now we can see that this factorial power, so k is a natural number. We can let the k is a natural number. Let the k is equal to 1. So number of factorial is 1. So n factorial is equal to n minus 1, n minus 2 and n minus 3 and so on. So I will so again we can let k is equal to 2. So number of factorial is 2, and n minus 2 and n minus 2 multiply 2 is 4, and n minus 3 multiply 2 is 6, and so on. Again we can let k is equal to 3. So number of factorial is 3. So n triple factorial is n minus 3. N minus 3 into 2 is 6, and n minus 3 into 9 is and n minus 3 into 3 is 9, so on. So we have completed the formula. So next we know that single factorial formula this, and double factorial formula this, and triple formula this. So now single formula value find. We know that question gave me 4 factorial, 4 single factorial. So we can let n is equal to 4. So 4 factorial is equal to 4 multiply 4 minus 1 and multiply 4 minus 2 and multiply 4 minus 3. So 4 factorial is equal to 4 multiply 4 minus 1 3, and 4 minus 2 is 2, and 4 minus 3 is 1. So 4 multiply 3 multiply 2 multiply 1 is equal to 24. Now we know that question gave me 5 double factorial. So we can let n is equal to 5. We can put this basic formula. We can put this formula. 5 double factorial is equal to 5 multiply 5 minus 2 and multiply 5 minus 4. 5 factorial is equal to 5 multiply 5 minus 2 is equal to 3, and 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. So 5 multiply 3 multiply 1 is equal to 50. Now then we know that question gave me 6 triple factorial. So we can let n is equal to 6. So 6 triple factorial is equal to 6 multiply 6 minus 3, and 6 multiply 6 minus 3 is 3. So 6 multiply 3 is equal to 18. Then we can solve the question. So question says 6 triple factorial plus 5 double factorial plus 4 single factorial. So 6 triple factorial is, so 6 triple factorial is 18, and 5 double factorial is 15, and 4 single factorial is 24. So answer will be, so 18 plus 15 plus 24 will be 57. Here is the answer, but most valuable tip is here. And double factorial is not equal to n factorial and whole factorial. So we can understand with example. So we can let n is equal to 5. We know that 5 double factorial is 15, but 5 single factorial and whole factorial. So firstly we can find 5 single factorial. So 5 single factorial will be 5 multiply 4 multiply 3 multiply 2 multiply 1. So 5 multiply 4 multiply 3 multiply 2 is multiply 1 is equal to 120. This value will be so bigger. That's why this is not equal. So just like that, and triple factorial is not equal to n single factorial, again factorial, and again whole factorial. So this is a most valuable tip you can apply, and you know that, and this is the most viral question now. So like and subscribe for more crazy calculations. Thank you.